and I have not seen ma'am. I don't think I ever came back to school after giving the invitation for my marriage. I don't think I've come back. I peeped in and Shubhla ma'am said, Ganga, come inside. I was thrilled. I could not believe that a teacher could remember a student after so long, after seeing so many batches, and I was never one of the more prominent members of my batch. Never. I was quite happy to be behind the more famous lot. Very, very happy to remain in the background. Never participated in any culturals, any competitions that I can remember, except if it was for written literary work. And she peeped, when I peeped in, she called me inside, and even before I could explain to her the reason of my visit, she said, we have a position. You did your MC? I said, no ma'am, I have done something in English. We have a position here. Would you be interested? And that was my dream come true. I did not even intend to do this, and for a teacher to remember what you were interested in, what your potential was for so many years, and to tap that after so many years, just taking one look at your face was amazing. Thank you, ma'am. I could never ever thank you enough. Never. Now let me go back to my school days. I came here after, in my third standard, after having studied in St. John's for the first 4 years, and it was a culture shock for me. I remembered teachers, or at least my understanding of teachers were, the scale, you turn your face towards someone else apart from the teacher, and you're caned. That was my understanding of teachers and teaching. And it was a culture shock when I came here to see teachers who interacted as though they were friends, they were second mothers here. I never felt any fear, I should say, a lot of respect for a lot of teachers here. Never any fear about any teacher. Never hesitated, except for maybe the PT sir back then, except for him. I don't think I've ever felt fear for anyone. And I think every single moment of my life in Shankara has been a defining moment. I may not remember everything. I do remember a couple of things though. And again, Shubhla ma'am has been a great influence. I could never ever put in 100% effort into anything. I was always a happy-go-lucky kind of person. And Shubhla ma'am always used to say, you can get a sentence, but it just will not work. You won't work. She knew what I was. You won't work. You're lazy. You won't work. And somehow, when I speak to my students now, I feel very guilty. The words keep ringing in my ears, and I feel very guilty. I can never talk to them with a straight face and advise them. And teachers like Meeta ma'am, Meenakshi ma'am, and even Usha ma'am, I keep telling them, I'm sort of angry with her because when we came into the 11th standard, I took up computer science, and by that time, UV ma'am was no longer with the school. She had opted to go out for whatever personal reasons, and after we passed out, she came back in. Not to take away anything from the teacher who handled us, Mrs. Maitli Raghavan, she was wonderful, but somehow it was, computer science was equated with Usha ma'am. And I still tell her, I'm very, very upset with you ma'am that we could not be your students. Meenakshi ma'am again was one of the most easy people to talk to. You could go up to her and talk to her about anything at all, and nothing would be ever revealed. It was very, very confidential. Whatever you spoke, you could talk about confidential things to her, and you never hesitate. Meeta ma'am, I think, has been a very great influence because that was the final push. And I always had this dilemma: maths or English, maths or English, maths or English. And finally, I decided maths requires a lot more work. And Shubhla ma'am will vouch that I can't, or for the fact that I can't put in that much effort. So I think that Meeta ma'am was the final push for me to go into the English department. And I wish I could have seen a lot more of my batchmates. I'm glad to see one of my batchmates here, one of my juniors here. And that was another thing, when we had a vacancy in social department, luckily for us and luckily for her, Prabha walked back into the school for admission for her a daughter. Again, once again, that's how we all come back. So she walked in at that time, and I just remembered vaguely that she had something to do with social, and I went and told Meenakshi ma'am. She said, "You ask her to come and talk to me now." So it is great how the school welcomes you back in whatever manner, as a student, as a parent, as a teacher, or just as somebody who comes back and peeps into the past. Whatever it is, how the school is open and welcoming always. So I hope, I don't recognize a lot of faces here. I've always been bad with names, but surprisingly I remember very few faces here. So I hope we can introduce ourselves and get to know each other a little more. Thank you.